Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to install the QuickBooks Online integration for Textellent in just a few minutes. Once installed, this automation will automatically sync your QuickBooks Online customers with Textellent, send invoice notification text messages automatically, and help you improve customer communication while increasing invoice visibility and response rates. Let's get started. First, log into your Textellent account. Open your browser and go to textellent.com. Click Client Login and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, click Integrations from the menu on the left. In the Integrations Marketplace, search for QuickBooks Online. When you find it, click Install. Review the installation details and click Continue. Next, click Grant Access. You'll be prompted to create a name for your connection. You can use any name you'd like, such as QuickBooks Online. Click Continue, then click Grant Access again. Next, connect your QuickBooks Online account. You'll be redirected to QuickBooks, where you'll sign in using your QuickBooks credentials. Depending on your security settings, QuickBooks may send a verification code to complete the authentication process. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your QuickBooks connection has been successfully created. Now, let's connect your Textellent account. From the Textellent Connection dropdown, select SSO Connection and click Continue. This securely connects the automation to your Textellent account. When the setup is complete, click Let's Go. Your integration is now installed and ready for final configuration. Before activating the automation, let's configure the phone number that will be used to send your invoice notification messages. From the left menu, click Settings, then select Locations. Locate your Textellent phone number and copy it. Next, return to Integrations and open the My Installations tab. Find the QuickBooks Online integration you just installed and click the gear icon. Locate the workflow called Send SMS Notification for New Invoice and click its gear icon. Inside the workflow, scroll down to Step 6, Textellent Send Message, and click the gear icon again. In the configuration screen, paste the Textellent phone number you copied earlier. This ensures that all invoice notification messages are sent from your business texting number. You'll also see a pre-built SMS template. Feel free to customize the message to match your company's branding, tone, or communication style. Once you're finished, click Save. Then scroll back to the top and click the QuickBooks Online workflow name. You're now ready to activate the automation. Click Start. That's it. The integration is now live and actively monitoring your QuickBooks Online account. Let's take a quick look at what happens behind the scenes. Whenever you create a new customer in QuickBooks Online, the automation automatically creates or updates that customer in Textellent. The contact is also tagged as QuickBooks Online customer, making it easy to organize, segment, and communicate with your QuickBooks contacts. When you send an invoice through QuickBooks Online, the automation immediately triggers a text message to the customer. This helps ensure your customers are notified right away, improves invoice visibility, and can help speed up payment response times. We recommend sending yourself a test invoice to verify that everything is working exactly as expected before using the automation with your customers. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated the QuickBooks Online integration for Textellent. Your customers will now sync automatically, and invoice notifications will be delivered instantly through text messaging. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help. Visit textellent.com or call us at 972-218-0986. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new QuickBooks Online automation with Textellent.